satellite scan.
One, it's 3. I'm behind that Hotel Fox 74 Victor Whiskey Golf Papa, the Ford Ranger stole. So it's just turned left onto the N12 direction, Davidton.
Wait now, but it's... Wait, are you behind that vehicle? Is EMPD driving it?
Negative. It looks like 1 Bravo male, Hotel Fox 74 Victor Whiskey, the Ford Ranger.
Okay, there was 1 recovered, was now in Tembisa.
Alright, but why is this thing going Davidton? This is a single cab with a canopy. Hotel Fox 74 Victor Whiskey.
Stand by. Fox 74 Victor Whiskey.
Hotel Fox 74 Victor Whiskey Golf Papa. We're approaching Pitfontein now, in the fast lane, approaching Pitfontein.
Okay, put your live location on the SNIPR group.
This is November Juliet 3. I'm behind Hotel Fox 74 Victor Whiskey Golf Papa N12 direction Davidton, just passing Pitfontein now. It was stolen reported 27th of the 7th 2021 Benoni case. I don't know if anyone's dealt with this one yet. If no one has, I'm approaching Kingsway now on the N12. Copy, thank you.
Yeah, freaking, we are here on Snake Road, we're coming that side.
Yeah, November Juliet 3, Romeo. Yeah, what did you send a message on WhatsApp group?
Copy, thank you. I've received. We're passing, looks like we're going to pass Kingsway now. Copy, dankie Jaco, passing Kingsway now. Just repeat.
Are you going towards Benoni or Davidton side?
Direction Davidton, taking Kingsway off ramp. Taking Kingsway off ramp now. Alright, taking Kingsway.
Okay, let me know if you pass Pitfontein or you're going into Davidton by...
Alright, yeah, we're on top of Kingsway now. We're on top of Kingsway. We're turning right towards Springs side. Turning right towards Springs. Alright, we turned right on top of Kingsway. Right on top of Kingsway, direction towards Springs. Yes, meneer.
Yes, sorry, ek is so spyt agter jou, hoor.
Alright, perfect, dankie.
Okay, ek sien jy ou het ook al opgetel.
Ja, hy het al klaar lekker begin spoed optel hierso.
Ja,
Are you going Kingsway towards Springs?
Ja,
sweet, bye.
that's a papa. Kingsway towards Springs. Kingsway towards Springs.
They are close to the jail now. For the
Praat later, bye.
Alright, dankie, bye.
Okay, good day.
Alright, yeah, they've started picking up speed. We're doing about 120, 130, yeah. Direction towards Springs, passing the four-way stop now. Or they're turning right at the four-way stop. Turning right at the four-way stop. Nick, we've pulled off on the side of the road now. Gonna send a location.
via validation.
Copy, thank you. This is November Juliet 3, just an update on the Ford Ranger. Vehicle is being taken through to Benoni Pound by Sergeant Jacob Powell. The vehicle will be booked in under inquiry, and then the necessary steps will be taken from there. The vehicle details will then be posted by Jacob Powell onto the group with the SAP 13 once he is finished at the SAP 13 Pound.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass SNIPR's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the SNIPR team for more information.